Let's discuss atmospheric pressure. You must have seen mountaineer. They carry oxygen cylinder as well as oxygen mask. Because the amount of oxygen it decreases as we go upwards, and there is more oxygen downwards or near the earth's surface. In this picture you can see that the air nearer to the earth's surface is much more, and above it the air molecules or air particles are less in number. Therefore, we can say that near the earth's surface the air is very dense, and as we move above, the atmosphere becomes thinner and thinner, and as we move up, as we go up, we will have some problem in breathing. Therefore, mountaineers, they carry oxygen cylinders. Since more air molecules or air particles are present near the earth's surface, therefore they exert pressure on each other, and therefore at this region atmospheric pressure will be very high. Atmospheric pressure will be very high near the earth's surface. As we move upwards, here the number of molecules is very less, therefore the atmospheric pressure will also decrease as we move upward. Therefore, we can conclude that if we move upwards, pressure decreases because the number of air molecule decreases, and hence they cannot exert more pressure than their own limit. But if we move downwards, the number of air molecule increases and a large amount of pressure is applied by those air molecules on each other. On the basis of temperature, atmospheric pressure varies. In warm areas, there is low atmospheric pressure, and in cold areas, for example in polar region, there is high atmospheric pressure. There are two situations. Situation number 1, here the sun rays has fall directly on the earth's surface. And situation number 2, here the clouds are there and rainfall is there, which means that climate is a little bit cooler than that of the climate in situation number 1. Since the sun rays has fallen directly at these places, therefore it has warmed up the air molecules present in this place. These air molecules or this air has risen upwards because it is warmer, and warm air always rise upwards. In situation number 2, the area is a little bit colder than that of the situation number 1, and therefore the molecules, air molecules, they are also a little bit colder. Therefore this region has formed a high pressure region, and wind always travels from high pressure to low pressure region. This is the direction of wind. Thus, we can conclude that the air which moves from high pressure to low pressure region is called as wind, or moving air is called as wind.